HoonTV!
Alright, so there's the never finished bonnet that was on the drag car. As you can see, there's a big ass hole in there because this stinking thing, no, this actual piece of work, beautiful piece of work this was originally sitting in that hole there, and then it was going to be all scalloped and all that, sort of like a import drag car kind of thing. And turbo plumbing clearance wise, there wasn't much needed, just like a little bit of clearancing here and for the intercooler pipes up there. This I believe was for the header tank, which no longer exists anymore. But basically this bonnet ain't getting used because it's got a big ass hole in it. But then we have the stock bonnet here, which looks like crap on the underside because some spanners painted it with a rattle gun, but totally stock and ready to rock. That's Aaron. I've known Aaron for like 25 years. 25? How old am I now? 44 this year. Long time, yeah. Yes. Somewhere between like ages and a million years. So
before we had grey hair.
Aaron owns this shop with the 3 on the front of it. There you go. And he paints stuff and does stuff to cars and makes them look pretty. So he's here helping me sort out this situation, which is the old bonnet, which had a hole cut in it for the turbo and the reliefs for the intercooler plumbing and other bits. And probably the easiest option is to just replace the whole bonnet with this reasonably clean one here. Yeah, so I've got my trusty white pen here and I'm going to engineer that to that. So literally that there is about here. It doesn't really matter. I don't have to be over precise with this pen that's not working very well. I reckon that's a good guide there.
Around there. See, if this was a hole, you would be measuring.
Alright, so Mr. Silver there, and just before that, so about there, but, and we'll write maybe. I took this section out because that's roughly where the turbo is, and that's, oh yeah, you drew a rocket ship on there, look. Yeah. Yeah, for all the crypto junkies, see, look. Oh, hang on, XRP. Yeah, there you go. Oh, it's a rocket. See, look.
It's a hairy rocket.
Yeah.
Who let this guy out?
Yeah. Whoops. Something like that. And then.
How much of that do you have to release?
And what you do is you cut it really carefully, otherwise you cut through the actual outside skin of the bonnet. And then that one here, this is cut back all the way up to here. So I could almost be cheeky and cut this all the way.
Well, you could.
Back here.
Just go from basically where your straight edge starts to curve.
Yeah.
Got my thinking cap on.
I thought it's got a bell mouth. I thought it was for like,
mouth.
Yeah. Alright, so we're at solid now and Aaron here is taping off to give a more straight edge rather than following our wonderful paint lines.
The world's thickest tape.
Yep. It's not panel shop spec. Yeah, I reckon that.
There was actually gapping, there was like a couple of mil between that.
So we've skipped ahead a bit. we've got it reasonably well lined up considering this bonnet isn't off his car. And Aaron's filmed that there because... You happy with that?
Yeah.